We are studying now the subject Environment and Science of 6th standard as per syllabus of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Today's topic is dependence of human beings on plant. That is, how do human beings depend on plants? We know that human beings as well as animals cannot produce their own food, but plants can produce food. Food is produced by the plants by a process called photosynthesis. Leaves of the plants contain a green pigment named chlorophyll. Leaves are the sites of food production of plants. Green leaves produce food, that is carbohydrate, with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. During the process of photosynthesis, food is produced, that is carbohydrate in nature, as well as oxygen is released. So, during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken by the plants and oxygen is released. And this is the source of the food. Human beings depend on plants for food. How do they depend on plants for food? Let us see the slides. Human beings depend on plants for food. We consume plants or parts of plants as food. Edible part of rice paddy is rice grain, which is technically called endosperm. We may also say rice is the seed of rice plant. Rice, which is also called cereal grain, is widely used as staple food. Here you have two images. Bottom left hand side image of rice plant and bottom right hand side image of rice grain. We eat bread. It is made up of wheat flour. Wheat flour is made from the grains of wheat. Wheat grain is the seed of wheat plant. Here you have three images. Bottom from left hand side to right hand side. First, image of wheat plant. Second, image of wheat grain. And third, image of wheat flour. We eat different types of vegetables and fruits. Some of them are mentioned below. 1. Carrot. We consume root, that is modified root. 2. Ginger. Edible part is stem, that is also modified stem. And third, mango. We consume fruit of the plant. Here you have three images. Bottom from left to right. First carrot, second ginger, and third mango. Fourth, drumstick. We use leaves, flowers and as well as fruit. Fifth, pumpkin. We use flower, leaf, fruit and as well as seed. Sixth, banana. We use fruit, flower and inner stem. Here you have four images. Bottom from left to right. First, drumstick. Second, pumpkin. Third, banana, ripe and fourth, banana, green. Seventh, maize, we eat seeds and young leaves. Eighth, spinach, we eat leaves and stems. Ninth, water amaranth, we eat leaves and stems. 10th, elephant apple, we use fruit, that is sepals. Here you have also 4 images. Bottom from left to right, first maize, second spinach, third water amaranth, and fourth elephant apple. Human beings not only depend on plants for food but also depend for many other reasons other than food. Now we shall discuss how do human beings depend on plants other than food. See the slides. Dependence on plant other than food. First, hilly areas are usually earthquake prone regions. People of those areas use wood to build houses. Poor people often use bamboo and straw to build their houses. Wood is also used to build ceiling of the house. Second, farmers also use wood to make their equipment such as plow, axe, rake, sickle, hoe, yoke, wheels of bullock cart, etc. Here you have 5 images. Bottom from left to right, first plow, second hoe, third sickle, fourth axe, and fifth yoke of Bangladesh. Third, we use wood to make furniture like table, chair, almirah, bed, etc. Fourth, we use wood to make railway sleeper, wooden bridge, boat, ship, etc. Fifth, we use leaves of palm trees to make hand fan. Here you have 4 images. Bottom from left to right, first wooden table, second wooden chair, third boat, and fourth hand fan. Sixth, we use lufa, dhundula, fruit, fully ripened as bathing scrubber. Seventh, fruit, that is soap nut of soap plant Rita is used to make herbal shampoo. Eighth, cloth is made up of threads and threads are made up of fiber. Cotton plant provides us cotton fiber. Here you have 3 images. Bottom from left to right, first loofah used as bathing scrubber. Second, Rita used to make herbal shampoo, and third, cotton plant provides us cotton fiber. Ninth, rope is made up of fibers and coconut fiber is used to make rope. 10th, jute fiber is used to make sacks. 11th, book is made up of paper and paper is made from plant. Here you have 3 images. Bottom from left to right. First, rope, that is coconut rope, and second, sack made up of jute fiber, and third, book made up of paper. Twelfth, gum is derived from plant. Gum is a type of excretory product of plant. Gum is used for book binding. 13th, resin is an excretory product of plant pine and shal, and resin is used to make wood polish. 14th, latex, milk-like substance, is also one type of excretory product of plant. Rubber is made from latex of rubber plant. Rubber is used to make tires and erasers. Here you have three images. Bottom from left to right, first gum, second resin, and third rubber. Now we have learned how human beings depend on plants for food as well as for other reasons. What else do we get from the plants? Let us discuss about this. Dependence on plant for medicine. We depend on plants for medicines. First, quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona plants and it is used to treat malaria. Second, different parts of tulsi plant such as leaves, stem, flower, root, and even seed is used to treat bronchitis, asthma, and diabetes. Third, reserpine is an excretory product found in root of Sarpagandha plant. Reserpine is used to reduce high blood pressure. Here you have three images, bottom from left to right. First, Sarpagandha, second, twig of cinchona plant, and third, tulsi plant. Plants give us oxygen. Human beings inhale oxygen from atmosphere for respiration and exhale carbon dioxide. For photosynthesis, that is production of food with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide by plants, green plants, carbon dioxide is required. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is consumed and oxygen is released by plants. So, plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen to atmosphere. Hence, the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in the environment. So, we may conclude that human beings depend on plants for their existence in the planet. So, we have to love plants, we have to protect plants for our survival. Thank you for watching this video. Stay well and stay safe.